Hi guys, today I want to show you how to prepare your blanket for a border. It sounds complicated, but really it's very simple. Okay, so what that means is that you have to put a round of single crochets all around your blanket. So we're gonna go on the top, on the side, on the bottom, and on the other side. And like I said, it's not as complicated as it sounds. It's pretty simple. Okay, so let's say you have completed your blanket. So what you want to do, you are going to chain here, one, turn, and you are going to do a row of single crochet just going back across your project. No matter what stitches you did prior to this, you're gonna do a row of single crochets just going back. So once you get to your last stitch, you finish here. So now we need to go around the corner because we have to go down the side. So here you have a couple of options. What I do for the corners, I just put 3 single crochets in the last stitch. You can also do a single crochet, chain one, and single crochet. You can just try both out and see what you like better. I like just doing 3 stitches to make a corner. Okay, so now we have to go down the sides. Okay, so what we want to do is my last row before the border was the row of double crochets. Here they are. So what I want to do is I want to put 2 single crochets in each row of double crochets. So here I have a double crochet. I just do it right in the big hole. So I do 1 and 2. My next row is also a row of double crochets. So I'm going to do another 2 singles in the row. And I have 1 more row of doubles. So real quick, 2 singles in each row. Okay, my next row, I have a row of half double crochets. They are a little trickier because the rows, it's taller than single crochets, shorter than double crochets. So what we want to do is alternate, and we're going to put 2 single crochets in 1 row of half doubles and 1 single crochet in the next row of half doubles, and then we're going to alternate that. So you keep going back and forth, so then it evens out at the end. So I'm going to put 2 in the first row, and then 1 in the next. I'll put 2 again, and then 1. And then I have 1 more row of half doubles, so I'm gonna put 2 single crochets in here again. Okay, so this way they are going to be kind of evened out. Okay, and the last one, I have a few rows of single crochets. So those are very easy. We just need to put 1 single crochet on in each row. So you can start right here. 1, 1, 1, 1, and 1. So I'm going to do the corner right here. So that means I'm going to put 3 single crochets in the corner. Okay, and the bottom is relatively easy. you want to put one stitch into every chain. So go right there. I mean, the holes are pretty easy to see. Just one in each. Once you get to the corner, you do the same thing. You're gonna put 3 single crochets in that last stitch. And the same things for your side. So if you have single crochet rows, you're gonna put 1 stitch in each row. For half double crochets, you alternate 1 stitch in one row, 2 stitches in the next row, going back and forth. For double crochets, you're gonna do 2 stitches in every row. You know, like I said, pretty easy to see. You can see there's your double crochet. So you put 2 stitches in every row. If you have treble crochets, you'll put 3 stitches. And once you get to the corner, so remember you already had 1 single crochet here, so you're gonna add 2 more in your corner, and then you can slip stitch it, tie it off, and you done. And now you're ready to put any border around your blanket.